Press the Set key once. Use the plus and minus buttons on the right to adjust the value to 5. Indicates that the cooling temperature is set to 5 degrees. The settings will be automatically saved and exited when the screen stops flashing. Press the Set button for 3 seconds. The screen shows HC. Use the plus and minus keys to select C. Press the Set button once. HU is displayed. Adjust the value to 3. Press the Set button once. The screen shows SC. Adjust the value to 0. Press the Set button once. The screen shows ST. Adjust the value to 3. Press the Set button once. The screen shows HT. This setting does not need to be modified. Press the Set button once. The screen shows LT. Adjust the value to 2. Do not press any button for 10 seconds. We'll save settings and exit setup mode. Enter setup mode again and check whether all settings are correct.